Yes, yes, I'm happy to be with you again today. Here in the studio, I'm excited to present to you about web development coding camps. Now, at Life Success Mentorship Academy, okay, either online or physically, we organize coding camps for students. We focus on secondary school students. Sometimes we do it online, sometimes we do it physically at our where we call Life Eternal Mission House. Is Life Eternal Youth Empowerment Foundation building located in Akure, but we are not limited to Akure in Ondo State alone. Now we move from school to schools and from city to cities in Nigeria, okay, and in Africa. Now our goal is to empower 1,000 youths before 2025 ends with coding skills, okay? And there are a lot of programming languages. While we empower some youths with technological skills like graphic designs, product design, that's UI, UX, okay? Then with photography, with video editing, with different kind of designing skills. We even empower youth with fashion designing skills and tailoring. Okay, we do all these things in our empowerment program. Now, besides that, one of the things we do when we move from school to school or right at the mission house is web development. When we say web development, it's a big word. Now, we like to make these secondary school students to be acquainted with the next language, because if they don't know and they are not versatile in tech skills, especially programming languages, you see, they can easily be deceived, they can be duped, and even they themselves we be duping some people. So that is why we include character development, what we call character transformation, in our camp meeting. Our training is all round success, and that's why we call it Life Success Mentorship Academy or Life Success Mentorship Program. Okay, then but the big body is called Life Eternal Youth Empowerment Foundation. It's established by myself and my wife, and over the years we have trained a lot of boys in character development and in tech skills. Now, in our web development program, or what we call coding camps, we teach several languages. Some people only know about HTML. Some people have only heard of CSS. Some people have only know maybe JavaScript. But there are thousands of programming languages any student can learn, such as Python, that is the Django, okay, Django framework. You can learn things like React Native, Flutter, Dart, and something like C Sharps, something like MySQL, PHP, even though PHP is an old language, still performing, still working. Okay, MongoDB, SQL, different kind of programming languages are there for you. If you is it you? Look, we expose boys and girls to these kind of programming languages, and some of our camping, we sit the boys down, we sit the girls down night and day. I want you to see this, see them on the screen. Night and day they are working. Can you see them? Can you see them? Look, they are working, they are programming, and because these are skills that are needed internationally. That means they are needed globally, so that where our boys and girls find themselves, they can flow, they can be employed. In fact, we are not even teaching them to be employed. We are teaching them to create their jobs so that they can employ others. Yes, Yes, many of our boys and girls are doing that already. Okay, so I want you to team up to join us in this crazy project 1000Y. I told you in one of our videos that we will soon increase it to 1 million youths. 1 million youths. 1 million youths of boys and girls in Nigeria, in Africa. So if you're a school owner, listen, I want you to invite us to your school. We can come to your school, whether private or public, and stay with you. If you give us accommodation, we can stay with you. You don't need to pay too much, especially if you are in private school. For public schools, we don't even collect anything. We don't even collect anything because we are teaching the boys. It's not only web development and coding skills and tech skills. We also teach the academics how to study and pass their examination without cheating, without giraffing, without looking sideways. Okay, that's why we are called life success people. Yes, mentorship. We mentor these students, and that is why we include character development. Because if you teach people, as I said before, you teach them web development, they can use it to dupe people, to conduct, to do internet fraud if you don't change their orientation and their mindset. And that is why you should, whenever you invite us to your own school, or to your, maybe you're a king, or you are a governor, or you're a president of a country, and you're inviting us, be ready for us to also affect your boys and girls with character transformation skills, because with that they become genuine as they do business, because they also learn business ethics, business formation, business creation, business development in our programs, so that they know how to make money. Yes, some boys and girls we have trained and the ones sponsoring our programs, they are small boys in university. Yet, if you see their donation, so we're able to go to some schools, like the public schools. I said we don't collect money because some boys and some girls whom we have trained over the years and they are doing something good and genuine are sponsoring us. Okay, so as I said, you may be a king, you may be a governor, maybe a president of a nation, you may be a principal, you may be somebody who just after youth. We are available to help you. So we need laptops. We need laptops so that we don't have about 10 students or 8 students looking at one laptop like this in our program. Our goal is to see that each child is given a laptop and is being attended to, or at most 2 students or 3 students are using one laptop. Okay, in our mission house we were using, look at this one on the screen. Okay, we were using desktop before, but we disposed of them. We are now using laptop because we can easily move them from city to city, from town to town, from school to school. Okay, in our programs. So I don't know what you would like to do, because we need a lot of equipment. Sometimes we have to move and carry our generators along to the schools we are going to, because those schools maybe they don't have, or we don't want to disturb people. So we need vehicles, we need buses. We're even thinking of mobile school, tech school, where we equip a long bus with laptops and we drive to a school gate. At the end of the school, the children, the boys and girls, they just come inside the vehicle and they begin to perform and to code. While we also, and do you know, some of the projects we give them to do are their academic job. We can say, boys, we want you to develop a video on the topic you learned in mathematics today. Boys, girls, we want you to develop a video on a biological topic that you learned last week or this week. You see, by so doing, we are not only affecting their business and tech skills, we are also affecting their academic skills. Okay, so we need more people We need more people to join us in coding camps, in holding and organizing coding camps for boys and girls. Let us team together to empower youth for success, life success in this life. Thank you. I'm going to stop here today. If you have or if you gain anything in this video, please hit the notification bell, like this video, subscribe in this channel, and let's work together. If that is your contribution to us, we are glad. Have a wonderful day. Bye.